left. Look at your right. Is safe? Yeah? Move on. Move and steer. More steering. Come on. Pick the roundabout. We are going left first exit. So what should we do? Left mirror first. Look at the mirror. Left signal.
Is it turn?
No. Because we are changing the lane. That's why it's not too early. Start slowing down. Good. Position on the left. Look at your right. Is safe, yeah? Pick up speed then. Don't slow down. If it is safe, carry on. Now pick up speed. The speed is 30. Turn. Then left mirror. Come on. Left signal. No more the speed. Good. Safe, yeah? Start turning around. Good. Then accelerate if possible. If it is safe. Mini roundabout, right, second exit. We don't have exit on the left. So that's why the right is the second exit. Right mirror. Too late for the signal. It's busy. Safe now? Yeah, come on. 1 hour steering. Do it. Good. Bring it back. And move on. Signal on the left. Slow down. Position. Check on the right. Safe.
Yes.
Time to steer. More. It's a bit sharp, so you need less speed, more steering. Bring it back. Then another mini roundabout. We are turning right. So right mirror. Good. Right signal and right position. Is it safe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now around 1 hour steering to the right. Good. Bring it back. Good. Mini roundabout, right place. Third exit. Right mirror, right signal. Position. To the right. Is it safe around?
Yes.
Yeah. Now 1 hour steering to the right. Quick. Good. Take it back. Speed. Mini roundabout, right place. Third exit. Right mirror. Right signal. Right side of the road. Safe on the right. Good. He's turning left, but the other one is going straight ahead. Safe now?
Yeah.
Come on. Go. Don't look at the left. He doesn't have priority. 1 hour. Steering. Good. Take it back. Then accelerate. Next roundabout, we are turning right, third exit. Right mirror. Good. Right signal and then right side of the lane. Is it safe on the right? Yep.
Yeah.
Good. Keep it slow. Go around. First exit past. Move. That's the second exit. Time to steer to the left. If you have time, obviously you have to do a left signal on approach. Another big roundabout. We are turning right, third exit. Right mirror, right signal, and right side of the lane. Is it safe on the right?
Safe, yes.
Good. Let's go. Keep counting. Number 1. Just you passed it. You don't count that road because that's not your entrance. That's the second exit. Time to change the signal. Left mirror, left signal. Slow down to enter to your exit. Good. Mini roundabout, right please, second exit. Is it safe on the right? Slow down. Go 1 hour steering to the right. Good. Much better?
Yeah, it was better before once. Better slow.
Exit. Slow down. We have many cars ahead, yeah? So slow down more. Obviously, we go straight ahead. We need left side of the lane. Look ahead. There is no one. Look at your right. Safe. Pick up speed. Move. The next roundabout, we go straight ahead, but we have double lane. There is no arrow. With look at the right side. Is it safe?
Yeah, safe.
From outer lane, keep going. Because you started from the left, from out, so definitely
Go from.
continue.
Continue to the left.
Yeah, continue. To this bridge, we have another roundabout. We go straight ahead, third exit. Even we go third exit, but the road is straight ahead. Again, we need the left lane. Start slowing down. It's very sharp to the left, so position nicely on the left lane. Brake more. Especially we have a lorry ahead. Good. Now position more on the left. Look at your right side. Is safe or not?
Yes.
Yeah? So continue the outer lane throughout. First exit you passed already. Second exit pass. That's the time to signal left. Left mirror. Because we take the exit. Roundabout, we are turning right, fourth exit. So right mirror, right signal, and right side of your lane. Good. Safe on the right?
Yeah.
Good. Look, we are inside lane. First exit already passed. That's the second exit. Still we are inner lane, yeah? Wait for the third exit to pass. Now give a left signal. First left mirror. Left mirror. Then we change the lane on the left. Why we are checking the mirror? If somebody else is behind, should know we are changing the lane. So we go straight ahead, third exit. Because we go straight ahead, we should stay on the left lane. No signal at the moment. Slow down, position, check on the right, safe? Yeah, first exit and second exit already passed. Give a left signal, but left mirror first. That's it. And move on. Don't worry about the signal. First straight your wheels, then cancel, because sometimes automatically they cancel. Straight ahead, second exit with the next roundabout. All you need to slow down only, because we don't need signal. Roundabout is small in size. Check your right side is safe. Anybody signals right? No? Move out, move in, control your wheels. Go. Mini roundabout, straight ahead please. No signal. Look at your right side. Is it clear? No stopping needed. Good. Carry. Mini roundabout, turning right, third exit. So right mirror, right signal. Good. Is it safe on the right? Good. We move around. Keep it very slow and big steering. Quickly. Very big steering. Bring it back. Good. Turning right, second exit. First we need to focus on the white car. You pass it, position, slow down. You can't see the right. Peep and creep. A bit more. Safe?
Yes.
Yeah, move on. Move on, move on. Come on. 1 hour steering. Good. Bring it back. Keep going. That roundabout is very huge, but still it has 2 exits only, 3 exits including the one we are waiting at, yeah? We are going right, second exit, but even the middle lane can help you to go right. Look at the arrow in the middle. So what signal we need? Right signal. Slow down. Is it safe on the right? Because you're in the middle lane, we need to go to outer lane. We can't stay in inner lane. Left mirror, left signal, and pick up speed. Good. This time signal is on, so cancel it. But don't slow down yet. Come on. They're very clever, don't worry. They move smooth. Another roundabout. We go straight ahead. You need to slow down to see which lane goes straight ahead. Tell me.
Oh, it's
The middle one. No signal at the moment. Slow down. Check your right. Safe.
Yes.
Pick up speed. Outer lane. Now signal left. Left mirror. Left signal. And then out. Cancel signal. Good. When we have bigger steering, place more on the right. Because we have single lane, but still we place more on the right. Look at your right side, is clear or not? Yeah, he signals left, so we can go. 1, steer more on the right, second exit finished. Time to check the mirror and signal left. Good. Cancel your signal. Left with the mini roundabout. Left mirror, left signal, no more speed. Good. Come on, more steering. That was the one you had problem with, yeah? Good. Carry on. Mini roundabout, right please. We don't have exit ahead, yeah? Just left and right. Slow down, you can't see anything. Peep and creep, peep and creep. Safe? Good. Around 1 hour steering, come on. Straighten up and then keep going. So we have double mini roundabouts ahead. For the first one we have 3 lanes. The left lane has left arrow only, so we can't take it for straight. That's why we need to place our car in the middle lane for the first roundabout. No signal needed for both of them. Just place it in the middle, slow down, check your right side is clear. Yeah, look at your line. Safe, yeah? Outer lane. We can't be in inner lane. Before the line, slow down, look to your right again. Safe? Pick up speed. This is how we do the 2 mini roundabouts. Oh, this time at the double mini roundabout, we go right with the second roundabout. Even for the first one, we should be on the right lane. So, right mirror, don't signal. If for lane changing we do, then we cancel it because we don't turn right with the first roundabout. Is it safe on the right? It seems busy.
So, and
Yeah.
this way we're going straight or
Straight
left?
and then place on the right. Come on, safe? Go. So keep right lane throughout, then signal right as well. Good. All the way to the right lane. Is it safe on the right?
Yes.
That's the time to move. Did you get it?
A little bit, yeah.
And straight ahead, please. Second exit. Slow down. No signal needed. Check your right and straight. Safe? Yep. Carry on. No stopping needed. Mini roundabout. Left first exit, please. Mirror left, signal left. Control your speed. Position and look. The road ahead is clear. Yeah. Turn the wheels to the left.